Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm taking you with me to Marshall's to see what I find. So if you want to see everything that I got and how I did this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I went on a hunt to Marshall's to see if I found some new makeup. Not new, because you know Marshall's always gets older stuff, but new to the store. Because I've seen a lot of videos of people doing TJ Maxx hauls and Marshall's, and they have ColourPop, they find ELF, they find a whole bunch of brands that have come out recently. Maybe some palettes from last year or even from this year. So I went to my local Marshall's. And well, I wasn't expecting much. I thought maybe I would find something, at least something from ColourPop, but nothing like that. It was just the same old shit that they always have. Not the same old shit, because I could always find at least something, and I do shop there a lot for lashes. They're really good and affordable. I want to show you what I got instead of the things that I was expecting. So I found this one. Remember these eyeshadows from BH? 9-pan eyeshadows. Every palette would say something different. It would be a different color story inside. Well, the only one they had was this one, the Low Key Love You, which looks like this. It's a warm neutral palette, and this is not really I don't really go for these that much, to be honest. But since I don't really have a lot of these colors because I never really buy them, and this was only $3.99, so I was like, well, let me try this one then, because I do like this color up here. Those are the tones that I like. I really don't like the oranges that much, but it was only $3.99. Then the next palette that I saw was this one from Lady Bonnet, and I've never tried this brand before. You gotta let me know. Actually, it's called Romantic Beauty Professional Makeup. Never heard of them, never tried it. And the palette is called Lady Bonnet. I don't know, I don't understand that letter. But it brings 25 colors, and this was for $6.99. Let me show you the colors. So since I've never tried this brand, I was like, well, it's $6.99, and the palette looks stunning. It looks stunning. And it wasn't used. It wasn't touched, it wasn't broken, so I grabbed it. I mean, look at those colors, perfect for spring, even for summer. It does have three glitters, pressed glitters. It also has 4 shimmers and a lot of mattes, which I like. I think I'm gonna try this one today because one, I wanna know how the brand is, and I like the color story a lot. And the next one that I saw was this one by Kara Beauty, and this one they had it for $9.99. I've tried Kara Beauty before, and I like their palettes. They're pigmented and super affordable. Never heard of this palette in particular. It's a neutral palette, but it has a lot of browns that I like. It brings a whole bunch of shades. And look at this bottom row right here. I love that. You could do a smoky look with that, or you could do a light look up here. So I thought this was very pretty and super affordable, just $9.99. Let me swatch some of the shimmers, the 4 shimmers it has. Those are pretty. Look at that green. Ooh, that's very pretty. And they feel super creamy. I think I definitely want to play with the purples and that green shimmer. I'm gonna go straight in with the darkest purple, which is this one right there. I'm glad it has a mirror. Let me know if you've tried this palette. I'm so curious to know if it's good. Are they still around? I think I want to do a halo look because I haven't done a halo look and I can't even remember when was the last time. So I was upset that they didn't have nothing new of what I've seen in the States, and I don't have TJ Maxx here. So I just had to keep looking. Everything of course was messy as hell. But I think that happens to every Marshalls. Just gonna place this first in there and in the inner corner. Just start creating that halo effect. So far this color is very pigmented. Now that I have that down where I want it, I'm gonna take the one next to it, which is slightly lighter, to start blending this a little bit here on the edges. I had no problem blending the purple at all. And you know what they say, that making a purple eyeshadow is hard to do supposedly, and that one worked perfectly and blended very smoothly. It's not patchy at all. I'm gonna take the lightest pink, this one. Actually no, I'm gonna use this one. Who's ready for spring? I like spring. I think I like spring as much as I like fall because it's not too cold and it's not too hot. Now I want to see how that shimmer works, the green one. Do I need a base for it? Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna use glitter primer first by NYX, which is my favorite, and I'll be back to try that color. Okay, I laid down a little bit of this color right here first because I have a feeling that's gonna be like a topper, and then I put the glitter primer. So let me go in with the brush and get that glitter and see. I'm liking it so far. It is one of those you have to really press hard in the pan with the brush, but it looks pretty though. Okay, I got that down, and I'm gonna move on to the lower lash line. I want to use this one. And I'm gonna take that brown, actually no, the black, and just put that on the outer corner, really close to the lower lash line and above. Very nice black. I like that. I'm gonna add some eyeliner, some falsies, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put some lashes on from AOA, Style Lydia. Then I put this e.l.f. lipstick, the O Face lipstick, satin lipstick, something like that, and I topped it off with a lip gloss, the Luna Beauty lip gloss in shade Starlight. And then the e.l.f. color, this one is Talk Dirty, beautiful nude. I'm trying these out again because I had talked to you in the previous video that I bought 3 colors and I thought they irritated my lips. So I wanted to make sure if it is that or if it was something else. So I'm trying this one on again and see. If anything, I will let you know in the description box below if I got an allergic reaction to it or if I didn't. So this is the final look. What do you think? I like this palette a lot. This palette was really good to work with. I didn't have no problems at all. Yeah, the shimmer, this one, the green one that I tried, I had to go in a lot into the color to pack it on. Then I tapped it off with my finger and it worked great. For the price, it's great. That shimmer is great for that price. Now, don't get me started on Tarte. in their shimmers, because Tarte is expensive, and for the quality of some of those shimmers, it's not worth it. But I've just paid $6.99 and it worked great. So keep your eye out for, what was the name of this brand? Romantic Beauty. Very good. I can't wait to try the rest of the colors. Also, let me know if you want me to try any of these out on camera, because I could do that. I'm gonna be using these this week, so just let me know to see if I recorded or not. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.